Hey guys, today we are going to make paintings from thumb impression. We will make frog, turtle, octopus, snowman and rabbit. For frog, first take your thumb impression. Draw eyes with black sketch. Draw smiley face. Draw hands and legs. And your frog is complete. Color the legs with green color. Now for rabbit, take your thumb impression and finger impression. Draw ears. Draw tail. Do the outline. Draw legs. Draw nose, eyes and mustaches. Color it. Now for turtle, take your thumb impression. Draw face, hands, legs and tail. Give it a finishing to make it look like a turtle. Draw the outline. Color it with dark green color. Draw eyes and the turtle is complete. For snowman, take your thumb impression. Draw hat. Draw eyes. Draw the scarf with red color. Draw a nose with orange sketch. Draw hands with black sketch and our snowman is complete. For octopus, take your thumb impression. Draw tentacles. Draw it with free hand. Draw eyes, mouth and our octopus is complete. So we have made frog, turtle, octopus, snowman and rabbit.